stars. You'll notice a stainless steel observation car off the Super Chief, which was a streamliner that ran in the 40s and 50s from Chicago to Denver. That car, when it was in its heyday, was called the Train of the Movie Stars. As we come down the hill, you'll see our turntable again. Be sure and stop by there. And you also can look into stall 5 and see our engine 20, which is another movie star engine. It was in a movie called The Ticket to Tomahawk, which you can also see on the internet, in which Marilyn Monroe played a bit part. That guy waving at us is Dave Mack. He's one of our employees here at the museum. Look up on the hill, you'll see a red switcher engine. If you have a quarter, you can actually simulate running a switcher engine.